A while back, we showed you the Renegade plug-and-play Euro taillights for your S550 Mustang. A lot of people love those lights. We can't even keep them on the shelf. And if you like that look but weren't sure the clear was 100% for you, well, today we've got another option we're going to install on this 2019 GT350. These Renegade Euros are going to be the exact same plug-and-play as the previous model, but now they come in a smoked version for more of a custom darked out look. And again, these are plug-and-play. They're going to fit all 2015 through 2020 Mustangs, but obviously they are the 2015 through 2017 style. These are going to be direct replacements for your factory taillights and are very easy to install. I already popped our subwoofer off, which is only 3 bolts. We do have a separate video on how to take your subwoofer off for your 15 through 20 Mustang. Now we're going to remove this rear panel. Start with these thumb screws. 2 on each side. Let's kick this forward to give us some room here. Kind of just lift this and sort of pop it out. Now just pop this little push pin out. Pull this out to get access to the nuts to hold the taillight on. First 2 nuts are going to be right here. And the last one, it's going to be hard to see, but it's going to be basically right back here in the corner. Just follow your hand straight back, it's going to be right back there. You're going to reach down behind the taillight and unplug it. Push the grommet through and then we can remove the taillight. Carefully remove it. Do one little clip over here will just pop off. Now grab our new taillight. Start by fishing the harness through. The grommet seated. Slide it into place. Now we can reinstall the factory retaining nuts. And don't forget to plug them back in. Here's a quick comparison of the stock light versus our new smoked Euro light. Just hit disarm on the car, they'll light them up. Bright red looks just like the factory light when it's lit up. All right, passenger side's good. Now we can repeat the process over on the driver's side. All right, now we'll show you the tail lights, brake lights. You'll see they sequence just like the originals. Here's a quick comparison versus the original Euro Clears and the new smoked Euro Clear. Now, if you like that Euro Clear look for your S550 Mustang, the smoked one just gives you another option. Now, I know a lot of people are still going to like that original, but again, on certain colors, the smoked might look even better. But overall, the installation is very straightforward. Give yourself about an hour or so, you'll be back on the road in no time.